Enfamil Enfacare infant formula is scientifically designed to support growth and development of babies that are prematurely born within their first year after they leave the hospital.
It is also used for babies who are transitioning home, mostly between 0 and 12 months.
For parents who choose to use this formula, make sure to ask your pediatrician about it.
It has proved to be quite effective in helping prematurely born babies catch up in growth. There are various levels that experts recommend so that the program can work well for your baby.
To promote healthy development of your baby, a milk-based formula with extra minerals and vitamins is recommended.
There are DHA and ERA levels that are recommended by experts. These components are important for supporting eye and brain development of your baby.
Further, there are recommendations of a blend of antioxidants and nutrients aimed at helping the baby's immune system.
Remember, the health of your baby will depend on how well you follow doctor's instructions. The formula should strictly be used as per doctor's directions.
If the formula is improperly prepared, diluted, used or stored, severe harm could result.
Although the formula is for premature babies, it should not be used to feed infants with immune problems if not directed by the baby's doctor.
Ask about the formula that best suits your baby from the baby's doctor. Microwave ovens should not be used to warm the formula as this could cause serious burns.
It is important to talk to your pediatrician about the advantages of continuing on Enfamil Enfacare once you decide on this infant formula.
It is essential to have all the tips on usage so that you cannot harm the baby. You should know how to store, care for it, and when the contents should be discarded.
Mixing your baby's bottle may be new to you, but it's easy to master with just 3 steps. First, get everything ready. Start by washing your hands. Then gather a sterilized bottle, nipple, ring, and cap, and the formula container. Check the use by date. If your container is dented, bulging, or leaking, call the number listed on the back and do not use. Next, add water. Check the label to find out how much you'll need. Use cold tap water. Hot tap water may contain metal contaminants, such as lead from the pipes. Bring water to a rolling boil and then continue to boil for 2 minutes. Let cool to room temperature prior to mixing. Pour desired amount of the cooled water into the bottle. Finally, add the powder. Check how many scoops you need for the amount of water in the bottle. After filling the scoop that came with the container, level it off with a clean knife. Pour the powder into the bottle, attach the ring, nipple, and cap, and shake well to mix. Before feeding, shake a few drops onto the inside of your wrist. It should feel neutral, neither warm nor cool. You'll be surprised how fast these 3 easy steps will become second nature.
The first year of your baby's life is definitely one of the most exciting and amazing. There's just so much to see and do. In fact, a baby's brain almost doubles in size by 1 year of age. Thankfully, with Enfamil Premium Infant Formula, you can be sure you're providing your baby what he or she needs with a nutritional blend created especially for those first 12 months of life. Enfamil's formula includes DHA, which promotes brain and eye development. It also contains the Natural Defense Prebiotics blend that is designed to help support the growth of helpful bacteria found in your baby's digestive tract. So be sure your baby makes the most of that first year with a little help from Enfamil Premium Infant Formula.
Middle of the night feedings with your newborn can be tough. You need a formula that's ready when she is. That's why Enfamil makes a 2 fluid ounce ready-to-use bottle that can be stored in the nursery. Simplify feeding night and day. Whether it's a late night feeding or a quick trip to grandma's, Enfamil 2 fluid ounce ready-to-use bottles are easy to grab, easy to pack, and easy to nourish your baby when you're on the go. Simple, convenient, and perfect proportions every time. When the formula is always ready,